So I got a new pickup in today. Two new pickups, one from eBay, one from, I don't know if you can see it, American Eagle. Let's get to it. The American Eagle receipt. Y'all can see it. So I just got some shorts since it's becoming fall, and got these for discount. The honey wheat, that's what these are called. The colorway, pretty good. There's a little American Eagle. And to the package, got a pair of shoes off eBay. Let's get to it. Bubble wrap, air bubble. Okay, pair of Saucony's, size 7.5, G9 Control. Yep, let's get to it. All right. The dude I brought from, Due West Designs. That's his eBay name. Just a thank you message. Let's get to the shoes. So here's the shoes. Saucony, that light pink. Here's a tongue, G9. This one, a tan colorway. It says Saucony on the back. That suede. That pigskin suede on these is crazy. I don't know if you guys ever tried on any Sauconys, but Sauconys are very comfy pair of shoes. I recommend you guys try on a pair if you guys haven't. There's a grid on the bottom, grid. This little other pair. Comes with extra black laces. Crazy. Materials on point. You can actually find any pair of these for under retail, pretty much. Yeah, this is my latest pickup from eBay. Decided to pick these up since digging the colorway a lot. And I paid for a very good deal, way under retail. So these are my latest pickups. Tell me what you guys think. Till next time, see you guys later. I'm off to watch the Chiefs and Broncos game. Alright, I'm out. Peace.